When I think about animal models, a lot of different species come into mind based on what we have studied, and every species contributes something unique when it comes to the understanding of nature. But what about ourselves? To answer this question, we tend to compare different animal models based on their characteristics to us. To compare animal models with ourselves, we select a few species for genetic, physiological, as well as cognitive traits, and then we compare them to ourselves. But these comparisons don't necessarily translate, which is the inference gap. Thankfully, to save us from the inference gap, we have dogs. Dogs and us have a lot of similarities. We have a long history of coevolution, a shared environment, naturally occurring common diseases, and phenotypical diversity. These similarities create an attunement as demonstrated by the experiment, where chimpanzees and dogs were both given a fetch task, after which the researchers gestured at which object they wanted to be fetched. The result? Our friendly canines outperformed chimpanzees. Another study that examined household dogs found that in the presence of a crying baby, humans and dogs both show increase in cortisol levels and heightened alertness, a sign of emotion contagion understood as empathy. And that is not the end. There is a lot more fascinating research when it comes to dogs. For example, dogs can recognize human emotions via facial expressions. Dogs are better at communicating with humans as compared to chimpanzees. They also show the ability to gaze at humans in order to ask for help to solve otherwise impossible tasks. Moreover, social cognition arises in dog puppies a lot earlier as compared to wolf puppies. In conclusion, just like all the other animal models, dogs occupy a very unique niche, and studying them comes with the possibility of dyadic research, which offers a novel ground for experiments, the potential to find insights that reduce the human animal inference gap, the vitality of a shared environment and common diseases for pathology, as well as a uniqueness that allows us to study the coevolution of species, all while being our best friends.